स्वागत है आपका रिक्वेस्ट वाले शो में, जहां पे आज का एपिसोड होने वाला है बहुत ही खास, क्योंकि मेरे साथ है द लवर बॉय ऑफ बॉलीवुड। जी हाँ, इनके गाने घूम रहा है सारे ब्रह्मांड। ही इज वन एंड ओनली अरमान। अरमान, वेलकम टू रिक्वेस्ट वाला शो।
Thank you for having me, man.
वेल अरमान, मैंने बहुत सारी राइमिंग सोची थी, बट आई यूज इट लेटर। सबसे पहले राइट ऑफ द बैट आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट पहला नशा। येट अगेन गिफ्ट फॉर योर अरमानियंस, आप लेकर आ गए हैं नया गाना। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी अबाउट द सॉन्ग, टेल मी अबाउट द रेंडिशन ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग।
Well, Pehla Nasha is an iconic 90s love song, as we all know. And सबसे पहले तो जब ये opportunity मुझे मिली थी, I was firstly very scared because it's such an iconic song and we do not want to kind of disrespect the melody and the creators that made it in any manner and make sure that creation जो बना था उसको हम बेटर कैसे करें, एनहांस कैसे करें, एंड हाउ डू वी मेक इट 2025.
And how did you do that?
I think it's obviously the only way, the most obviously non-brainer way is to kind of up the production. जो उसकी music production होती है, arrangement होती है, उसको थोड़ा up to date लेके आना to make it sound more fresh for the younger generation. I think that is the first thing that we updated. लेकिन अमाल and रश्मि विराग, who मुझे लगता है कि मेरे म्यूजिकल बैकबोन्स है, जो भी हिट गाने हैं मेरे डिस्कोग्राफी में, इट्स लाइक 90% इज देयर्स. सो व्हेन दे गॉट टुगेदर, उन्होंने पूरे गाने को रिस्ट्रक्चर किया. हुक ऑब्वियसली इज द सेम बिकॉज वो तो हम चेंज करना भी नहीं चाहेंगे, कांट चेंज नहीं करना चाहेंगे भी नहीं. And the Mukhda is very interesting. The Mukhda's melody is basically the same melody of the dang da dang da da dang dang da dang. So that tune has been made the Mukhda, which is the first verse.
Wow.
So that kind of restructuring I was very excited about, because when Amal and Virag sir got together and they played me the first draft, I was like completely sold. I was like, I need to get into the studio right now. मुझे अभी record करना है, because it's personally my favorite song from the 90s, and getting an opportunity to do it all over again was a big responsibility, but also exciting in a way.
I'm sure.
Because it's such a beautiful melody, and I hope I've done justice to it. And
I'm sure you have. But मुझे ये बताइए कि last time when you were on request वाला शो, आपने मुझे बताया था कि जब गाना आप बनाते हैं, and especially when you work with Amal, तो there are like few disagreements. कोई अपनी चलाता है, कोई अपनी चलाता है, and then you come together and like make the song as big as it is. So tell me, इस time भी ये हुआ कि like you just heard it and you were like, let's do it?
No, so I had to record the song alone because Amal was busy with some other work for this song only, like arrangements and stuff. तो मैं स्टूडियो गया, मैंने कंप्लीट किया रिकॉर्डिंग, एंड देन उसके ठीक 4 दिन बाद जब हमें एक्चुअली सबमिट करना था गाना, सबमिशन के 2 घंटे पहले ही भाई साहब हैज रिक्वेस्टेड कि you have to change this line.
Are you serious?
And I had to catch a flight and go somewhere because it's touring season, so I'm like traveling all over the country. And he was like, नहीं ये 2 लाइनें वापस तेरे को गाने पड़ेंगे. So I went all the way back again to the studio, read up the whole thing, and it was just 2 hours before we had to submit the master.
But did you like catch the flight?
I caught the flight. I never miss my flights.
Really?
Never. मैं 3 घंटे पहले जाके बैठ जाता हूँ एयरपोर्ट.
तो आप 6:30 बजे उठते हैं, आप 3 घंटे एयरपोर्ट बैठ के चले जाते हैं. मतलब is there anything that you do wrong?
I don't think so. I try my best not to.
So I think you're the god of love at this point in Bollywood.
That's a very big title for me.
I think it's very apt. But Arman, let's talk about Valentine season चल रहा है. I want to know about your love story. We all know how much in love you are with Ashna. But how did it start? Where did it go? We know how did it end. But मुझे बताइए कि आपकी love story क्या है?
Well, it's not ended, it's just begun.
It's just begun.
I feel like our love story is just begun.
Correct.
But yeah, I mean, we've been dating for almost 7 years.
Wow.
6 years of that was under wraps because obviously didn't want it to be super public. And but fans को कहीं ना कहीं से तो पता चल ही गया था.
Hint तो हुई
So yeah, but it's been for me to keep that part of my life super private, वो बहुत एक ज़रूरी था. Because हम इतना we are in the public eye, हमें मौका नहीं मिलता है to get our own space and get our own privacy. So for me it was really beautiful कि मैं उस रिलेशनशिप को उस प्यार को मैंने उस माहौल में ग्रो होने दिया. So it was really beautiful and obviously जो हमारी लव स्टोरी है वो तो अभी तक मैं रिवील नहीं कर चुका हूँ कहीं पे भी ज़्यादा. थोड़ा थोड़ा ही जो भी सबको पता है that we met over the internet.
Wow. Okay.
That is one thing that I can tell you. बाकी और बाद में.
What is the point? ये Valentine's week. Okay, tell me something कि Valentine's
सब
week
कहानी अभी थोड़ी ना बताएंगे हम लोग. कहानी आएगा ना.
धीरे धीरे आएंगे. But मुझे बताइए कि what was the most special Valentine's week or day you spent with Ashna?
I remember this one time where I booked out a full restaurant.
A full restaurant.
Yeah, and I had a special menu जो मैंने curate किया था
खुद से.
just for the day.
Wow.
And you know, it was just the two of us in the restaurant and we just had a quiet dinner. जैसे मतलब वो candlelight dinner जैसे लोग कहते हैं. Candle नहीं था, but restaurant था पूरा. It was extremely romantic because it was just the two of us. And मैंने एक proper मतलब dress code और सब भी मतलब mention किया था that we have to be in this attire. So it was cute. I feel like that was one of my favorite date nights, especially for Valentine's Day.
Beautiful. और अब अगला क्वेश्चन भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मुझे आपसे ये जानना था कि what are the 3 most beautiful qualities of Ashna that you think that you know really had you on your knees?
I think she is someone who thinks of others before herself.
Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah.
I think the word for that is selfless.
Correct.
Yeah, so she's extremely selfless and I think that's something that I really love about her. बहुत honest है and मैं भी honest हूँ. हमारे खानदान में सभी honest है.
सब honest.
अमल मैं सब honest है. अमल तो brutally honest है.
Yeah, I know that.
So I really love that about her. She doesn't mince her words. मतलब कुछ भी मतलब छुपाना नहीं है. जो अच्छा लगा नहीं अच्छा लगा. And I think that's really a refreshing personality to have. And since I've grown up around Amal and मेरी family में भी सभी honest है. हम लोग लड़ते मुंह पे ही हैं सब लोग. So I think that's a beautiful thing. It's great. कुछ भी मतलब there's
at least no lack of communication.
Exactly.
That happens.
Exactly. And she's a very, very caring person in general. Like, I mean, I feel like all 3 qualities are more personality qualities, personality traits. But I think that's what really, really made me fall in love. If you had to ask me what is the physical attribute, I think it was her eyes. When I looked into her eyes, I was like, yeah, this is it.
Beautiful. And if Ashna had to answer this question about you,
yeah,
what would her answer be? I'm sure you guys have had that conversation.
Not really, but मुझे लेके आना पड़ेगा उसके इंटरव्यू पे to
you should
ask her. I think maybe something on the similar lines. We both are really caring people in general. I think we just we're very simple. ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब शोशा नहीं है. Just like we're very like
with a face like that, I mean you don't really have to do shosha.
No, मतलब
इतना ही सुंदर हूँ मैं, deal with it.
Not like that. I mean honestly, it's about your heart as a person. आपका दिल कितना साफ है, कैसे हो आप, वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. And I think both of us have that connecting factor. But मैं खुद के बारे में नहीं बात कर सकता हूँ. I think उसको ही पूछना पड़ेगा. Next time हम लोग जब interview करेंगे.
Next time, so you're coming on request वाला show, you're getting her along.
Done.
That's a deal.
Okay.
Right? But मुझे बताइए अरमान, आपके गाने ऐसे हैं कि there's पहला नशा, there's पहला प्यार. What is this obsession with like first love?
I don't know. I think बचपन से ही मुझे रोमांटिक गाने जो है उनसे बहुत लगाव था. And every time I was given a song, I used to always choose कि यार मेरे को in love वाला गाना गाना है. वो टूट गया दिल, ये वो सब चीज़ें मुझे नहीं मतलब समझ नहीं आती.
You're just happy in love.
I love being in general. I love being happy and in love.
Right.
So I think naturally मैं उन गानों की तरफ gravitate होता गया. And then I got songs to sing like पहला प्यार, like सब तेरा, and then now पहला नशा 2.0. And I think it's somehow or the other वो first love वाली एक बात हर एक गाने में वो बयां होती है. एंड एक रनिंग जोक है ऑन द इंटरनेट कि आपका जो फर्स्ट लव होता है, फर्स्ट रोमांस होता है, तब आप अरमान मलिक को सुनते हो, जब आपका ब्रेकअप होता है तब अरिजीत सिंह को सुनते हो.
that is fair actually.
I feel like हमारी जो discography है, it's like
bang opposite. Like
I think like all those ashiks listen to Arijit, and I think the
lovers,
the lovers who have just like entered college and they're like wanting to
Correct.
go on a date with someone, or like wanting to have a relationship or start a relationship. So it felt funny at first, but then जब मैंने अपने गाने सुने तो मुझे वो फीलिंग एनीवे आ गई.
करेक्ट
कि या दे आर राइट, आई मीन इन अ वे.
हाँ, जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि आपके गाने सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि भैया जिन लोगों को प्यार नहीं भी हुआ है उनको प्यार हो जाना चाहिए. इट्स हाई टाइम, क्योंकि मुझे वो
फिक्शनल रोमांस चल रहा है.
करेक्ट, मतलब फिक्शनल रोमांस आई थिंक इट्स रियलिटी फॉर सम एंड फिक्शन फॉर सम, बट देन आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट इज, दैट इज हाउ इट इज. वेल अरमान, हमने बात करी, आपने बोला अभी कि पीपल हु आर फ्रेश इन अ रिलेशनशिप, यू आर ऑल्सो फ्रेश इन अ रिलेशनशिप at a new stage of a relationship. Correct. Right? आपकी अभी शादी हुई है. First of all, congratulations. मैंने रिंग पहले ही नोटिस कर ली थी. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
मुझे बताइए कि now that you're married, has the experience changed from being in a relationship to being now married?
There have been changes, I mean, obviously, but ऐसा कुछ major change महसूस नहीं हुआ है. Just that मेरा लाइफ को देखने का नज़रिया थोड़ा बदल गया. पहले मैं obviously we were in a relationship with boyfriend girlfriend, and then obviously we were fiancés for a year before we got married. लेकिन एक पर्सपेक्टिव था कि यार हाँ, मैं अरमान के लेंस से देख रहा हूँ अभी. नाउ इट्स मोर लाइक अरमान और आशना के लेंस से अभी देखना है लाइफ. एंड देन
what is better for both of you together?
Yes, and I think that is it makes you immediately a mature and responsible person. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक चेंज है. एंड आई मीन अदर देन दैट हमारा जो प्यार है, हमारा जो एक दूसरे के साथ फ्रेंडशिप है, वो तो कभी चेंज नहीं होगी.
आई थिंक इट ओनली ग्रोज
एंड इवॉल्व्स, एंड हर एक स्टेज पे आई थिंक इट बिकम्स ओनली बेटर.
I agree. Well, मुझे बताइए कि आशा ने आके आपके घर में क्या चेंजेस किए हैं?
पूरा चेंज कर दें, सब
कुछ.
मतलब हम लोग ने एक साथ वी हैव टेकन अ प्लेस, एंड उसको इंटीरियर्स का बहुत शौक है, एंड शी इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड एट व्हाट शी डज. तो मैंने तो सिर्फ ये कहा, भाई ये कार्ड है, आप जो भी लेना चाहते हो ले लो प्लीज. मेरे को ये सब समझ नहीं आता, मुझे सिर्फ एक स्टूडियो दे देना मेरे कंप्यूटर और मेरे कीबोर्ड के साथ. दैट्स ऑल.
सो यू हैव दैट?
आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू. ये सब पहला नशा 2.0 फिर कहाँ से रिकॉर्ड होता.
पर मुझे बताओ कि आपको वार्डरोब स्पेस कितना मिला है शादी के बाद? डू यू हैव एनी, और इज इट जस्ट लाइक वन शेल्फ?
बड़ी सी फाइट थी. हाँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं, उसके पास भी ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज शी इज़ अ फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर, सो शी हैज़ लाइक अ वार्डरोब एंड अ हाफ एंड लाइक 2 at her mom's place also. So but उनका काम है. But like even for me, being a singer and a musician, because we do so many interviews and shows and
public appearances, and you're doing a tour,
and plus I love dressing up. So I mean I also have a bunch of clothes. तो fight सबसे ज़्यादा actually जूतों के कबर्ड की है, क्योंकि I have like some massive sneaker collection.
Give me an estimate ballpark number
of how many shoes I have.
Yeah,
I don't know, bro. I've lost count now. I just like
lost count.
My boy, he keeps telling me, sir, आपने एक और जूता ले लिया, अभी मैं रखूंगा कहाँ. So उसका वही एक प्रॉब्लम
है कि जूते कहाँ रखें.
So I think that is one thing that we have in the house fought about. We need space for shoes.
Space for shoes is the fight. Well, मुझे ये बताइए कि हनीमून पे कहाँ गए थे और उसकी कोई special memory if you have.
Actually हम लोग ने we've not gone on our like proper honeymoon yet. We've done a few small trips and all, because पूरा महीना went into festivities. Aunties, uncles सबको मिलने में hi, hello, thank you. वो सब में चला गया. But we took a short break in London, which is our favorite city. But proper honeymoon अभी plan करेंगे.
But चलिए लंदन की कोई special memory if you have, if you could tell us.
I think हम लोग को we just love going to the park.
To the park.
Yeah, I think हम लोग के एक वो picnic dates एक ritual है.
Correct.
That we always go to the park, we have a picnic, and just sit there for hours. कुछ भी नहीं करते हम लोग, या म्यूजिक सुनते, या she's reading a book. It's literally just that.
Just what is your picnic basket like? उसमें क्या क्या होता है?
बहुत सारा cheese definitely, olives, grapes, and crackers, and मुझे sweets बहुत पसंद है. तो
really
like I have a crazy sweet tooth.
Yeah.
So cupcakes होंगे या chocolates होंगे, brownies. So that's literally we stock it up.
वाओ वेल हमने हनीमून पे जंप कर लिया बट मुझे बताइए कि आपकी शादी के बारे में राइट बिकॉज वी जस्ट सॉ द पिक्चर्स एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ इट नोबडी नोज तो मुझे बताइए कि यू नो हाउ इज द वेडिंग एंड यू नो द स्पेशल मेमोरीज ऑफ योर वेडिंग
आई थिंक बहुत ही इंटीमेट सेलिब्रेशन था हम लोगों ने you know we didn't keep it extremely like loud and large. But जो हमारी एक्चुअल वेडिंग सेरेमनी थी उसमें हम लोग ने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वाउज लिए एंड आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट स्टेड विद मी
लाइक पर्सनलाइज्ड वाउज
या एंड मेरा एक गाना है जो मैंने एक वेडिंग ईपी के लिए मेरे वेडिंग ईपी के लिए बनाया था जिसका नाम है 7 सो वी टुक 7 vows for each other and we were dating for 7 years before we got married so there was a full correlation to that.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Yeah, I think that really is a special element from the wedding जो मुझे अभी भी जब मैं उसके बारे में सोच रहा हूँ I'm getting goosebumps.
Yeah, even I am. I'm not even kidding. Like, yeah, it is very very beautiful.
So I think like हम लोग ने बहुत ही personal रखा इसको. We didn't want to do it like every other wedding. We wanted to make sure कि अरमान और आशना क्या चाहते करने के and that's what we went ahead with and I think it felt really beautiful for the both of us and obviously over the internet when we shared it online and the kind of love that we got was really heartwarming.
That is so sweet. Arman, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ आपके गाने ही नहीं, you are also very romantic person. Like everything you've been telling me is like super romantic. It's crazy.
मतलब I am the most in love romantic mad hatter.
हमें बातें काफ़ी करनी है आपके साथ. मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि आज से 4 साल पहले आपने एक मेडली पब्लिश करी थी और उस मेडली में गाना था पहला नशा, राइट? एंड द फैंस वेंट क्रेजी लिसनिंग टू यू, राइट? एंड आफ्टर 4 years you are doing पहला नशा 2.0. टेल अस अबाउट द सॉन्ग.
आई थिंक मेरे कॉन्सर्ट्स में ना मैं एक सेक्शन करता हूँ विच इज़ अ अनप्लग्ड मेडली ऑफ ऑल माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स वो 70s के या 80s के भी हो या 90s के भी हो एंड सम ऑफ देम आर करंट ऑल्सो एंड उस मेडली में पहला नशा ज़रूर होता है एंड लिटिल डिड आई नो कि थोड़े सालों बाद मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी टू रिक्रिएट दैट सेम सॉन्ग एंड हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पहला नशा 2.0. Firstly, I just want to thank Amal and Rashmi Virag जिन्होंने इतना beautiful version बनाया है. I also want to thank Saregama because they have really thought about this one क्योंकि ऐसे एक iconic गाने को recreate करना is not an easy task.
It is not, yeah.
And even the fact कि आप सोचो भी इसको करना is like a big thing.
Correct.
So I'm thankful to them as well and my co-singer Pragati, she's also done a fabulous job.
Right.
All of us have come together and we believe that we have done justice to the version and we have not spoiled the sanctity and the जो एक purity थी ओरिजिनल वाले की उसको हम लोग ने इंटैक्ट रखा है एंड आई थिंक at least we believe that. I hope that the listeners who listen to it also believe.
I'm sure the listeners who are listening to this and will listen to it will believe the same. पर मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि पहला नशा is one of those songs जो कि जनरली हर सिंगर जो कि रोमांस जॉनरा में गाते हैं वो अपने कॉन्सर्ट्स में अपने शोज में या कहीं ना कहीं दे डेफिनेटली पहला नशा like without fail, right? It's like the epitome of romance in Bollywood. What were you feeling while this song was getting recorded?
I genuinely ये जो एक गाना है ना मुझे जब भी ये पियानो पे बजता है इसका जो एक ट्यून है डंग डंग या it just gives you so many feels and एक वो मुझे लगता है जब मैं एक गाना सुनता हूँ और गूज़बम्प्स महसूस करता हूँ that song is superior. That और कोई गाना ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है उस मोमेंट के लिए. सो आई थिंक पहला नशा के साथ जब भी मैं वो मेलोडी सुनता हूँ इट मेक्स मी फील दैट वे. एंड जब ये नया वर्जन बना था अमाल ने मुझे जब भेजा था स्क्रैच वर्जन आई वाज लाइक डूड दिस इज मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ऐसा कोई ट्वीक कर पाएगा गाने को इन अ वे कि इतना सीमलेस लगे विद द कोरस,
Right.
क्योंकि आपने जो उसकी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल जो पार्ट है उसको मुखड़ा बना दिया,
Right.
एंड देन कोरस वैसा रखा है विद अ फ्यू लिरिकल चेंजेस, एंड अंतरे में भी लिरिकल चेंजेस हैं. सो दैट होल रीऑर्डरिंग एंड रीशफलिंग एंड मेकिंग श्योर कि गाना इंटैक्ट रहे एज द ओरिजिनल, बट
Right.
there's some new flavor to it. I think only Amal could have done that, and especially Virag sir also has just killed it with the lyrics. I personally feel very very excited कि मैंने ये गाना recreate किया.
बट थोड़ी सी
बहुत बार
नर्वसनेस कहीं पे.
nervousness थी क्योंकि इतना आइकॉनिक गाना है,
राइट.
तो अटेम्प्ट करने में थोड़ा सा ये लग रहा था कि यार मैं जस्टिस कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार मैं ये अपने अंदाज में गाऊंगा.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज आई फील कि अगर मैं अपना एक फ्लेवर नहीं लेके आऊँ उसको, तो देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट.
करेक्ट.
सो आई एडेड माई ओन DNA टू इट, जो मुझे लगता है कि जब लिसनर्स सुनेंगे उसको तो दे विल immediately latch on to it, because I have this when I sing my love songs, I sing it really nice and soft.
I think that's also because your personality is like loving and
Yeah.
there's like this
It should feel like a warm hug.
romantic in you. Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि जो भी मैं गाने गाता हूँ लव रोमांस जॉनर में, it should feel कि यार आपको सिंगर और म्यूजिशियन हग कर रहा है.
Correct.
And I think that is one thing that I've maintained in this song, at least from मेरे vocal tone के हिसाब से. बाकी I hope and I pray that people really love this song.
So Arman, tell me this कि have you sent this song to the original singers and did they give you any feedback?
No, I haven't actually. मतलब I don't think कि that's my responsibility. I think it's probably the label probably must have sent it to them. But I guess I hope that we have done them proud by doing this.
I'm sure you have. I'm sure you
Because
have.
before also I've done a couple of versions. Ghar Se Nikalte Hi was also a recreation.
Right.
And उस time पे I think a lot of people were very skeptical कि ये गाना कैसे बनेगा. लेकिन it went on to become such a massive
Correct.
hit. Not only because it did so well from a numbers perspective, but people actually loved the version, the
Correct.
new version. So I think we have added that same love and flavor to this one, and I hope that the original creators give us their blessings for this one.
I'm sure they will, because I think the best part about what you do is that you provided so much love, care and nurturing कि it just becomes something beautiful, and I think everybody likes beautiful things. Arman, हमने बात कर ली है काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपकी लव लाइफ के बारे में. Yesterday we've spoken about पहला नशा.
Yes.
अब मुझे ये बताइए कि प्यार आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा अरमानियंस भी करते हैं, right? So what is like the most love you felt? Like tell me about an instance जहाँ पे you felt the most love from your fans.
I think बहुत बार ऐसे हमें लगता है कि जब हम अनाउंस करेंगे, especially as like pop stars, as like people who are in the industry who have a lot of fan following, especially when you have a female fan following.
Right.
कि आप अनाउंस करोगे you're in a relationship or you're getting married, that you might lose the love of your fans or followers. ये बहुत बुरा notion है.
Correct.
Which I don't think is true. And in my case, though, I got so much love and so much outpour of just overall warmth from my fans. I think that is the one time where the whole Armanian fandom just came together to just give me a tight group hug, and I think that was just beautiful.
That is so sweet. But tell me about this, these stories about. I'm sure कि Valentine's Day पे आपके घर पे flowers and gifts का एक तांता लग जाता होगा. What is the most special gift that a fan has given you?
मुझे एक फैन ने, कैलिफोर्निया की वो फैन है, उन्होंने मुझे एक चेन एंड वॉच दिया था, and I still have that with me. And
Wow, that is so sweet.
Really, really special, because I never expected my fans to give me, gifts. That's the last thing I want from them. I just want their love. That's it.
Correct.
But बहुत मेहनत करके, they went and got something for me. So I feel like whenever they give me a gift, I have this fan gift box that I've collected all these small things that I've gotten over the years. And ये gift मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. It's a fan named Sunena. She's from California.
Sunena from California. आपका gift show पे mention हो चुका है, so you've made it. like it's done. But also tell me कि what is the most special message from a fan that you've received that really touched your heart and you were like, damn, this is so sweet.
There was a message that I got from a fan that went like, thank you for saving me.
For saving me.
Yeah, I was in my lowest, and your songs and just you yourself, just being who you are, has saved me. And I was like,
Damn.
I was shook.
I still have goosebumps like listening to that.
I was like, मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया that someone has felt saved or like come out of a dark place. And honestly, I'm just being myself and
Correct.
I'm not doing anything special or extra.
Right.
But I mean, that's what made me realize कि यार हम लोग जो भी करते हैं उसका एक impact होता है लोगों पे. तो हमें बहुत हर चीज़ को बहुत सोच के समझ के बोलना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, बिकॉज उसका एक 10-fold इम्पैक्ट होता है लोगों को.
Correct.
सो आई फील लाइक जो भी मैंने किया अच्छा ही किया होगा. इफ समवन सेड दैट यू नो you've saved me, so that really वो बहुत मेरे दिल को लगा वो बात.
Correct. Well, आज on this platform, if you had one message to give to all your love-struck fans out there, what would you have to say?
Like about Valentine's or just like in general?
Just your message to everybody out there on this day.
I just want to tell all those people out there, you know, who really believe in love, that first find a really nice friend. When you have friendship, that's where love grows, and I think that's like how Shah Rukh Khan says, "Ki pyar
Pyar
dosti
dosti hai."
I really believe in that. So yeah, I mean, make friends, and then you'll find love.
Arman, very quickly we are going to play a game. The
Okay.
game is very simple. It's called Heads Up. ठीक है? तो मेरे पास ये गेम है. इसको forehead पे रखना है और जो भी words आएंगे उनको act out करना है. तो सामने वाला person has to guess.
Okay.
What is it? Okay?
Okay.
So you will act, I will guess.
Okay, done.
Ready? Chewing gum. Flossing the teeth. Stargazing. Yawning. Waking up. Being lazy. Yawning. Stretching. Traffic police. Traffic signal. Directing the traffic. Making coffee. Making tea, making drinks, mixing cocktails. Okay. Choking. Okay. Making cocktails, mixing drinks, cooking food, making breakfast, eating breakfast, working and eating, serving. Okay. How? What? Okay, your turn. चलिए देखते हैं.
चलो. Throw, attitude. Okay. Ego.
Let's pass it. Let's
Okay.
pass it. This
Okay.
one is difficult.
Nail paint, manicure. Nails.
I'll give it to you. Painting
acetone.
fingernails.
Okay,
I'll give
fingernails.
it to you.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Okay. कपड़े सुखाना. Clothesline.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I need to like stand up for this. So
Okay. Hopping, jumping, skipping. Okay, cool. Jump rope.
okay, move. Next.
next. Okay, cool.
Let's do next.
Pumping, water pump. Well.
Pumping a tire.
Pumping.
But exceedingly well. Exceedingly
I
well.
tried my best.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Actually, first one was throwing a tantrum, and then it
Oh,
was
okay.
skipping stones and pumping a tire. The rest of it you got.
Wow.
But I think Arman, you should totally become an actor. Yeah, like you're very good with
Should I? Yeah,
actions. So that's all, folks. This was Request वाला show for today, जहाँ पे मेरे साथ थे भैया सुरों के गुणवान. Yes, Arman, thank you so much for being on Request वाला show.
I'm so glad I was here, and we talked about love. We talked about all the amazing things that happens in romance and Valentine's and all my lovely songs and all you lovely people.
लवली. वेल अरमान, आपका नया गाना आ गया है तो एक बार सबको बता दीजिए कि उसको ढेर सारा प्यार देना है. जल्दी से पहला नशा 2.0 के बारे में बात कर लीजिए.
Okay, so guys, I have put out a new song which is a recreation of the iconic पहला नशा, जिसका नाम है पहला नशा 2.0. हम लोगों ने बहुत प्यार से बनाया है इसे, so please जाके सुनिए and give it all your love.
Yes, yes, you have to give all your love to पहला नशा 2.0 अरमान का गाना। और इसी के साथ दिस इज मी आदित्य सिंह, आस्ता लविस्ता बेबी, हैव अ ग्रेट वीक अहेड। हम मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते विद अनदर वेरी स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट वाला शो। अरमान, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
वैलेंटाइंस वीक पे अरमान मलिक के साथ आपको अगर ये एपिसोड पसंद आया तो जल्दी से लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Zoom TV।